What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dead and Cold by SadBoyProlific. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is going to be an F major. Bar the entire first fret with your index finger. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Next up, you have B flat major. You're gonna press the 1st fret of the A string with your index finger. Then you're gonna use your ring finger to bar D, G, and B on the 3rd fret. Some people like to play that with these 3 fingers. If you wanna do it that way, you can. I think it's easier this way. Up next, we have a G minor. You're going to bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 5th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D. And then finally a D minor. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger or your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the high E. Now your picking pattern for this is pretty simple. You could just strum. If you wanted to. What I'm doing is for my F and my G minor, my thumb is picking the low E string, and my index and my middle and my ring are all picking the D, G, and B strings. And those 3 fingers are gonna pick the same exact strings the entire time. The only thing that's changing is your thumb. Like I said, on the F, the low E, then D, G, B. Same thing on the G minor. On the B flat, you're picking the A string with your thumb. And the same with the D minor. And again, you're still picking D, G, B with your index, middle, and ring on those. So now what we're doing here is twice and muting on the F, once and let it ring on the B flat, and then same exact thing with your G minor and your D minor. So 1, 2, mute, let it ring open, 1, 2, mute, let it ring open. And that's just going to repeat. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.